What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Got something from the Griffin Company. I've been kind of wanting one of these for a good long while. I just didn't know what company to go through, which one I wanted, so I kind of just finally, they had a sale going on, they just had some made, so I ordered it immediately. Not exactly the one I wanted, because the one I wanted, like it was on, like I think I had it in stock for like 10 minutes. I had it in my cart, and then when I went to go buy it, like 10 minutes later, it was out of stock, so I was kind of like, that sucks, but that's all right. But let's kind of get into it. I kind of like Griffin Company. They have some good knives that I've seen. I haven't been able to check them out yet, but this is obviously not a knife, as you just kind of heard. Nothing else comes in the box except for this case. Kind of a nice little patch right here, though, a little Velcro patch. It's kind of cool. I like that. Kind of good little show of character, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it. Comes with a little cleaning cloth of some sort. Got a couple little cards here just stating what the information is. So it's obviously titanium, blasted and tumbled. The one I wanted was the blasted with the satin flats. Oh, it looked cool. Like, it looked pretty phenomenal. Couple stickers real quick. Kind of cool, kind of cool. All right, got a couple bits right there, and this is what I was wanting. So right here, I was wanting like a cool little screwdriver for things. I got like this little Benchmade one, which it works pretty well. And I also have the Vero Fulcrum. Works pretty well too for what I need it. But I like it for the little pry bar more than anything. But it works for what I need it for, like I said. But I was wanting something kind of cool like this. Obviously, it's good to have a second one anyway, like a good second one, just in case you have like the pivot screws on both sides. Like this right here, how you have two pivot screws. Obviously, you can put them both in both sides and then kind of work it from there. Because there was one time I needed one, I didn't have one, so it kind of sucked. I kind of finagled it. But so it says the MK2 from Griffin Company, bit driver tool. That is the name of it. Like I said, I wanted the satin flats. Like, it looked pretty dope. Like, it looked like this kind of, but like the edges right here, it was like satin. It was super dope looking. I was kind of wanting to get this because of my EDC kit. I've been wanting to kind of switch it up, put new stuff in there, and I've got like 3 of them. I've been taking stuff out, and I want to put new stuff in. This was one thing I've been wanting to get so I can carry it with me. Just kind of like I said, I wanted to update some stuff, put some new stuff in. And what I also liked about this is that the cap is magnetic. So it's super easy, in and off, or in and off and on. So you just put man, I cannot speak today, right? The bits in there, just like that. I don't know if they all go in there. Nope, they will not all go in. Or will they? It looked like they would. Let's look. Put that right there. Just barely does not go, so... Oop, there we go. But it is magnetic, the cap is, so that's super nice. Like, it's kind of cool. It holds the bits. Obviously, you can put the cap on right there. It's magnetic. It's got a bearing right there, so it's pretty smooth. So obviously, you'd probably have one in there while you do stuff, obviously, and you could probably put 2 of them that you use most of the time. I don't know what they all are. You have T6, T8, T7. So I would probably just keep the T7. Oh, they have T9 too. So okay, so T6, T8 at least. Put those inside there. The other ones I probably wouldn't carry as much, the 7 and 9. But I'd leave those in the bag. But I don't know, kind of a cool little tool though. I'm ready to use it, check it out, see how well it works. Like I said, I'm just using this to kind of build my EDC kit, get it going. I want new stuff, got new knives obviously, and I got some other stuff to add to it. So I'll probably do another video here very shortly of that stuff, like showing you how I put my kit together and everything. But look out for that video. It should be hopefully soon. But that's all I got. If you guys have any comments, or if you guys know a bit driver that's you like better than this, obviously. I know there's a lot of bits out there, bit drivers out there that are way more expensive. I know even Griffin Company, they make a zirconium one, which is super dope looking. I just don't have that type of money. Like, I think it was 300 bucks. This was like a little over 100. So obviously I know there's a lot more expensive ones out there. But yeah, let me know what ones you guys like. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up, and I appreciate it. Thanks.